Okay. Then to promote,
I'm that person about later.
yeah, to promote programs, events, or offers, then we use newsletter to build trust and relationships. So these are the common uses of newsletter. And furthermore, you can use it to keep your audience engaged. Maybe in the party,
What?
you can just chat with them so they keep reading it while the party is going on. So we use it to engage your audience. Now let's see types of newsletter. Number one, we have school newsletter, so which is mainly to update parents and students about the school information or what will later take place, probably next terms or next session, so as the case may be. Then we have
Yeah,
it
give me the phone.
as business,
Business.
yes,
Data.
yes, business newsletter for promotions, tips, and announcement. Okay, for promotion,
Yes,
tips,
sir.
reports, and announcement. Then community newsletter too. We have what we call community newsletter. So in this regard, so we use it to promote events and activities. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right, good. Now the next thing here is educational newsletter. So we want to use it to explain learning tips, resources, and the likes of them. Then lastly, we have email newsletter to be sent through mail, which is the most common one today. So some schools use mail to send letter. Now, part of a newsletter. Now, if you want to design your newsletter, these are the things you must watch out for. So these are the things you must watch out for. Number one, it must have a title or header. Title or what? Title or what?
Elder.
Header. Then it must have introduction message. Then it must have main content or articles. Then it must have images or graphics. Take note of all these. These are the things I'm going to do right now after this introduction. Then your newsletters must have call to action, like read more. This kind of word, like when you put read more or you write register, you write contact us. All these words here, we refer to them as call to action. As what? Call to action.
I like it
Okay.
on my end. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
good, good. So then it must have footer. The footer is the bottom of that page. So that your footer must have contact information, logo, social media handles for that particular school, the website of the school or the organization. So you put it there. Now, look at the screen here. This is an example of a newsletter. Do you see this? Uh, Now, this is another example of a newsletter here. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So this is how a newsletter will look like. Now you can tell me they applied something here. Look at this part here. They applied something here. We did it yesterday. At this part here, they applied something here.
Column.
Thank you. So in newsletter, we always use column to work. So that's the test of teaching you column yesterday. So I'm going to use the column to design a newsletter. So now let's come back to our Microsoft Word and start the designing process. Okay. So now I'm going to open my Microsoft Word now. So let me open my Microsoft Word. Okay.
So this PowerPoint.
Yes, check. It has changed to Microsoft Word now. Check.
Yes, sir. That's it.
Yeah, good, good. All right, now if I want to start with now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'll position my cursor to center alignment. Take note to center alignment. Then I'm going to type newsletter. Then after that, I'll highlight. Then increase the size. Can you see that? Then I'll come down to
Yes, sir.
my insert, click on picture. I need a rectangular shape. Shapes, not picture. Go to shapes, click on rectangular shape, then drag on it. Then look at this part here where you have ABC here. So I'm choosing this one here. Now it is covering this new data, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I want to arrange it. I'm going to right click on it, press your right button. You see send to back. You see send to back. Or let me try on that way. Let me try on that way. Now, this is another way you can put, I want to put this new data inside this box. So let me take this one off. Now, on this rectangle, right click on it. You see add text. Then from there, you can now put your new data inside. So this one, you can add more colors to it. Come down to,
No, sir.
okay, let me come back. Let me come back. Let me undo. Now, this is the box here, right?
Yes, sir.
So I want to write newsletter inside this box. So the first thing is select that box. When you select the box, press your right button. You see where you have add text or edit text. It's either you see add text or edit text. But right now I'm seeing edit text. I'll just click on edit text. So my cursor is blinking inside the box. Do you see that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So inside there, you cannot type your newsletter. So here now I have my newsletter. So if I move the box, it moves alongside with my newsletter. So am I communicating now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Good. So now the next thing now is I want to insert my column. My column. So don't forget, I'll just come to insert. Let me take my cursor out from this box. So just come down to insert. You see column, right? Click on more column options. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So let me use 3 columns for this case. Then, if you like, you can put line between. If you like, you can omit line between. But I don't want to put line between. Okay. Now, please take note. Let's focus on this side here. Look at this side here. This particular part here. Where they write apply to all document. Did you see that?
Yes, sir.
So don't click on apply to all document. So you click on this arrow. So use this point forward. Now I'll tell you why I have to use this point forward. Now, number one reason is that I'm having this newsletter here. So I don't want my column to break this newsletter. Okay? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Can I come again?
Hello. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So I said come
Yes.
to
Yes, sir.
this apply to. Select what? What are you selecting there?
Point forward.
This point forward. And why are you selecting that point forward? Why? Why? Is it for me? Okay. Why? Who can tell me why you are selecting this point forward? Why are you selecting this point forward? I just said the reason. I said the reason is that I don't want it to break this newsletter. Okay? Okay?
Okay, sir.
So let me click on
Yes,
OK
sir.
now. You can see. So it does not affect this my newsletter. It doesn't affect it at all. But if I didn't use that one, okay, let me undo. Watch. Let me come back here. Watch. Now, this time around, I put it on all document. I click on three columns and I click on OK. So let's see what's going to happen. So you see, it is affecting the column here.
No, sir.
The
The
heading.
back cleaning.
So it's affecting the heading. You can see it is showing the whole length here. So I'll come back to my column, more columns, click here, this point forward. So it won't affect the heading. Then click on OK. So this is the best practice here. Now I'll start typing my stuff. So you now start typing, yeah, let's start with the welcome message and the likes. So here I'm writing for Techie Kids program. So I'll come down here to write my welcome message. So this is my welcome message here. So let me increase the size. Let me increase the size here. So you can see my welcome message here. So we're excited to blah, 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 blah. So let me remove these drawings on the board. So can you see that now? So this is my new letter arrangement. So after then, I can add more stuff here. So let me add more words here. So I have my program highlights. So these are things that we need in the newsletter. So let me put my program highlight, things that they are going to read in my newsletter, things that the parent is going to see or read in my newsletter. So this is my program highlight. Now, I'm going to insert picture because your newsletter must always contain pictures and the like. So come to insert. If you have any pictures in your system, you can put it there. So let me locate where I have my own images. So let me check. Okay, I think I have it in. Let me see this part here. Okay, I should have it here. So let me use this one here. Now, I've taught you how to format a picture. I've told that in a picture, when you insert a picture, you must come to wrap text. Click on type so that that thing can move. Otherwise, you find it difficult to move it. So you can resize it. So you can say that, let me place it here now. So this is how we do newsletter. Okay, let me change my columns to two columns. Let me make it two columns. Let me come back to insert page layout to say, then come to more columns. I'm using two columns back. So point forward. So yes, so I'm using two columns right now. One, two. So let me cut this off. So let me put it here back. So since I'm using two columns, so I'm trying to make it two columns work instead of three. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Good. Coming. Let me quickly do the adjustment so that it looks more perfect than this. So since I've changed to two columns, so let me just quickly make the adjustments. Okay, good. So let me reinsert my picture. Let me use this. Don't forget, go to text, your wrap text, click on type. Right, it's become stationed here. Then click down here. Then put the next message, my program highlights here. My program highlights. So let me type it here. So this is my program highlights here. Okay. Hope you are following up.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now the next thing is why parents love our program. So these are that parts that I want to put in my newsletter. So why parents love our. So now for all these headings here, for all these subheading, ensure they are bigger sizes because that will call the attention of the parents to that. Okay. So why parents love our program is there. So I can decide to put another image here, insert pictures, any pictures you have on your system. So you can put that there. So now I'm going to tighten this so that it can be adjustable. Otherwise, you'll not be able to adjust it. Then after then, so um let me add my program announcement here. After this, let me have my program announcement here. So this is my program announcement. So I need to include the size here to size 18 so that that will attract uh parents to see that. Then let me just add one more thing. So let me add uh what your child will learn in this program. Are we together? Are we together?
Yes.
Okay, good. So this is what your child will learn in this program. So let me quickly increase the size there. You can see that. So if you like, I can see add some images or one image here too. So let me select this one here. Don't forget, anytime you add an image, come to text wrap here. Don't forget, click on type that you can be able to move it. Otherwise, it will remain stuck. So you can see. Okay. Then lastly, so let me add my class schedule requirement and the likes. So this is the last part for this. So this is my class schedule. So let me increase the size here. Okay. So we are done. So now this is my newsletter here. You can see how simple and beautiful it is. So I'm doing this for this particular program. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You can see how beautiful it is. So if you want to color, make it more colorful, I can align this newsletter to change the color. Click on this rectangle, go to format. Don't forget, under rectangle, go to format. They can choose any theme or any color of your choice. Okay, I think I prefer this. I think I prefer this. So then that's all. We are good to go. I want to add page borders. There's what we call page borders. So you come down to design. You come down to design. Under design, you see page borders there. Please take note of this. See page borders there. So I'll click on my page border here. So here you can select any art that you want, anything you want to add. So let me just choose these stars, okay? Then click on OK. Now, can you see those stars around the borders? Can you see that? And if you like, you can change it. If you don't want that kind of borders, you can come back here, click here, and you see more borders here. So let me choose this one. Then let me click on OK. I think this one is fine. So this is how we create newsletter in Microsoft Word. So do we have any question? Any question?